Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support, where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. So welcome back to Season 6, Episode 23 of our Self-Care Saturday series. This show is your weekly reminder to take care of yourself as you care for others. Today's topic is finding solace in nature and outdoor activities, which I think is a perfect topic since this is my regular backdrop for this show. I've been coming out here for the past 4 years or more. This park out here in Pico Rivera, Los Angeles County. And so today, as I mentioned, we will be talking about finding solace in nature and outdoor activities. So whether you're a clinical social worker, mental health provider, or just someone looking for peace in a chaotic world, this episode is your invitation to step outside and reconnect with the natural world. So in part 1, we are going to be talking about the science behind nature and mental health. So let's start with the why. Numerous studies like those from Stanford and the University of Michigan show that spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels, improves focus, and boosts mood. In fact, just 20 minutes a day in a green space like this can significantly lower stress. This is especially important for us in the helping professionals, where emotional burnout is common. Nature is not just scenery, it's medicine. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping us rest, digest, and recharge. So in part 2, we are going to discuss different ways to connect with nature. So how can you find solace outdoors, especially if you live in a city or have a packed schedule? Here are a few simple but powerful ideas. Number 1, micro doses of nature. Take your lunch break outside. Sit on a bench under a tree. Even a few minutes gazing at the sky or feeling the sun in your face can make a difference. And I really am feeling the sun in my face right now. And after spending most of my weekdays inside a building, this feels great to be out here on Self-Care Saturday. Number 2, green walks. Walking in a park or along a trail without a podcast or a phone allows your senses to fully engage. Try a mindful walk where you simply notice colors, sounds, and textures around you. And I'm smiling because as I was just reading that, I am filming a podcast out here in the middle of this park. So the irony didn't escape me as I was just reading that, but it still holds true. And I'll share this, going off script a little bit, but I follow this. I take my lunch breaks outside of my office. I go for my walks. I happen to work at a VA medical center that has a lot of green space. So I practice this, guys. I practice this. When I take my lunch walks, I'm able to, do walk in greenery, walk in nature, which is a privilege considering that the medical center where I work at is in the middle of a bustling city like Los Angeles. But there are green spaces in cities even like Los Angeles. Number 3, outdoor hobbies. Gardening, bird watching, kayaking, or even cloud gazing. These activities ground us in the present moment and get us out of our heads. I want to add another outdoor hobby that I didn't list, but something again that I practice and that I've been fond of all of my life, and that's cycling. I love cycling. It gets me outdoors. I usually cycle to this park, and I ride around this wonderful park, and it just gives me a chance to again reconnect with nature and hear the birds, you know, and every now and then there's actually water back here. Number 4, nature near you. Even if you live in an urban area, look for botanical gardens, green rooftops, or riverside paths. Nature is often closer than we think. Number 5, bring nature in. When getting outside isn't an option, bring nature to you. Houseplants, nature sounds, or even nature documentaries can create a sense of peace. Okay, part 3, personal reflection. Now let's slow down. Think back to a time when you felt at peace in nature. Maybe it was the ocean, a quiet forest, a mountaintop, a park bench on a breezy day. What were you doing? How did your body feel? What did you let go of in that moment? These moments are anchors. When life feels heavy, nature can carry some of that weight without asking for anything in return. All right, part 4, challenge of the week. This week, I invite you all to take a 15-minute nature break every day. No phones, no agenda. Just be present outside, whether it's sipping coffee on the porch, walking barefoot in your yard, or stretching in the sun. Use this time to breathe deeply. Observe your surroundings. And let nature do its quiet, healing work. And if you'd like, share your nature moment with us on social media using the hashtag #SelfCareSaturdayNature. Let's build a community of connection through the outdoors. I want to thank you all for spending part of your Saturday with me. Remember, as you help others navigate life's storms, make sure you're anchoring yourself in something steady, like the earth beneath your feet, the sun above, and the breath within. Again, my name is Thomas Fletcher, and this has been Self-Care Saturday on the LCSW network. I want to again thank you all for the work that you do every day, for your clients, for your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now.